These sunset lamps elevate any space from dreary to dreamy. Not to mention, these lights also have significant health benefits. Yes, it follows the light therapy.
Welcome back to Mukherjee's Family Canvas. It's yet another a review and an unboxing video, and we are super excited to unbox this gift which has been sent by Sanacraft, because it is going to be a LED light. It's a disco light which has been kindly sent by Sanacraft to us, and we are super excited because as a family we love lights, we love the warmth of it, and that makes us, leave us lively, makes us romantic, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So let's get started. If you're one of the light loving person, and if you want to decorate your your living room, your bedroom, your kids room with different sorts of coloring lights, then keep watching. Box is been sent by Sanacraft. They have kindly sent us this one. I'm just not going to show the address, but this is how the Amazon Prime packaging looks like. Let's get stuck in and unbox it. So do you want to help? So we have unboxed it, and
20 centimeter color bar to remote to sturdy base, and couple of sticky pad and 2 disco lights. Follows energy efficient LED technology, and at such an affordable price you will be tempted to grab one for every room in your house for sure. Using remote we can change any 16 colors, right? And rest assured it's totally safe. Using light therapy, it does not give off any harmful UV radiation.
so this RGB light bar can be used as long as it is plugged into the USB port. Smart control light can be, it can be changed with the help of a remote. So you can, change it according to however you want. Combinations are there, and it is absolutely brilliant.
You can keep the light bar just beside your TV while watching movie, or use it as a night bulb in kids' room.
So this is the sunset lamp.
Yay! Yeah, and it's nicely packed.
And it's nicely
Guys,
packed.
let us concentrate on the sunset lamp. It is using high quality steel steering head, durable and not easy to break. Sunset lights can be adjusted 180 degrees front and rear, 360 degrees left and right. And it also has a remote with 16 colors, and you can change the colors as per your own comfortable zone.
And it comes with another set of 2 more disco lights, which you can set it up on the USB
Enough
ports
is enough.
here.
Now let's go for party and see what we have. Oh, it's disco light. It has a manual to set up the disco light. It's portable, and it creates an atmosphere across the room.
This disco light is voice controlled, so you can see a tambourine here, and when I pat on the tambourine, the light flicks, which means it is voice controlled. It will be controlled on the music that is going on in the room.
Basically, it transforms an ordinary room into a festive party. So Mukherjee's Family Canvas strongly recommends you to take this set of lights. Why? The reason is you will get multiple things in one go. Although the price is $24.99, but you are getting so many things in the box. What you are getting, it makes your party life enjoyable with the disco light. You will get a sunset lamp to make reels and dance.
2 20 centimeter light bars, which you can keep it just beside the television or use it as a night lamp in your kids' room. Use it as you want.
So guys, hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please leave it as a comment and we'll get back to you. This is a limited time edition, so go to the description box and click on the link that will directly take you to Amazon, and do check it out. Obviously you will love this, the sunset lamp as well as the LED bars along with the disco lights. And thank you for watching. Bye.